How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So if you want to fix the Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you problem, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store, go with the search and search for Facebook. Once you've searched here, if you have any updates under your Facebook, then go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now here on the upper side or on the status bar, you will have the marketplace. But if you don't have the marketplace, then it might be hidden. So to unhide that, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Tap on settings, and under your settings, now you need to simply go with the search, and you need to search for navigation bar or tab bar. So simply tap on the tab bar option and then go with the customize the bar, and here you will have marketplace, right? So if you've hidden the marketplace, then you just need to simply go and pin your marketplace. Once you pin your marketplace, now you need to go back, and here you can see that I have the marketplace, so you can tap on it and here you will be able to use your marketplace. So that's how you can fix your Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.